Jai Hind, my name is Ashish Agrawal and I am from class 11 in the Yamuna house. And today I am going to continue my experiment. And today I am going to do my experiment which is based on Gay-Lussac's law. So let us start. Gay-Lussac's law states that when the pressure increases, then the temperature increases. I am putting this water onto the tray. It is about 250 ml. Now, as I am using this transparent jar, so it may be possible that it is not clearly visible. That's why I am putting this Ujala Nil into this water so it would be more clearly visible. And I am performing this experiment from the household items, so anyone can perform this. That's why it could also be used as a teaching aid in school. Now, I have taken this diya. A candle could also be taken. It is just used as a heat source. Now I'm taking this glass container and just put above this diya so that all the heat will trap inside this glass container, and do this for around 20 to 30 seconds. When the temperature inside this glass container increases, then there is a low pressure area created inside this container, and we know, and also there is a high pressure area outside this beaker, and we know that water or air is also always move from high pressure area to low pressure area. That's why when I put this glass container onto the tray, the water which is present on the tray gets accumulated and gets inside this glass container. Now wait for 10 seconds only. And also when I put this glass container onto the tray, then as the oxygen supply cut off, then the diya would automatically be extinguished. I'm going to put this now and observe clearly. Now here we see the water which was present on the tray is slowly coming into this glass container, and see the water level rise inside this container. It is very much high, and this is only due to the Gay-Lussac's law. And now the explanation to this: when the heat inside this diya was gets accumulated inside this glass container, then the low pressure area was created, and from the high pressure to low pressure the water has been moved, and also there is a pressure created inside this glass container, and hence the temperature which was increased by the diya and the pressure increases. That's why due to the pressure this process has happened. And this is all. Thank you.